Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting me. Today I have taken on the screen you may see a question, Maths Olympiad challenging. Uh, it is from algebra. Compute the number of ordered pairs x, y of positive integers satisfying x square minus 8x plus y square plus 4y equals to 5. So this is a very simple question, but this is a fundamental question for preparing any algebra competitive examination. So I'm writing the equation again, x square plus 8x plus y square plus 4y equals to 5. Since it is a single equation with two variables and x square x terms are there, y square y terms are there, then I can make into a equation representing a circle. So what I am doing, I am x square minus 8 to complete a square. I am adding 16 here so that it will be yx minus 4 whole square. Similarly, second term y square plus 4y, then I need another 4 to make a whole square. So I added 16 and 4 the left hand side, so I must add in right hand side. So this gives me x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 25. 25 is 5 square. So I represented this equation in terms of a equation to a circle. I don't claim that this is the only method to solve this question. You can do your own way. This is one way of solving. So this represents a circle. And center is 1, -2 and radius is 5. We have to find all xy satisfying this, and xy are positive numbers. So when 5 is the radius, that means the points, or what we call the lattice points, satisfying the circle or on the circles are 5 units up and down. Or left or right from the center. So 5 square is equals to either plus minus 5 squares and 0 square, or 5 square equals to plus minus 4 square or plus minus 3 whole square. So the points are three units away from one axis, four units from other axis. Now center is below x-axis because this is -2. Center is over -2. So is below x-axis. So we cannot decrease x value more than 5, more than 4. So x, y, the center was, or the original value was 4 comma negative 2. It can be 5 comma 0, 0 comma 5, minus 5 comma 0, 0 comma minus 5. So I cannot take minus 5 comma 0, it will be negative. So it will be only 0 comma 5 out of this two pair. Plus minus 5 0 or 0 plus minus 5. It will be this one. If it will be 5 comma 0, then y will be negative. So we have to think critically in this way. So answer is here 4 comma 3, first value, taking out of this pair. Now taking from 4 3, there are 8 options, but here you won't get all the options. First is 4 comma negative 2. I can take 4 3. It will be 8 1. 4 comma minus 2. I can take 3 comma 4. This gives the value 7 comma 2. Then xy 4 comma negative 2. If I'll add minus 4 comma 3, then it will be 0. So it will be discarded. Then your 4 comma minus 2. Can I take negative 3 comma 4? Yes, both are positive. Then your 1 comma 2. So I am getting 4 set of values, 1 2 3 4. I cannot take negative 3 negative 4. So these are the solution. The number of order pairs four, and xy is to 4 comma 3, 8 comma 1, 7, and here. Thank you for watching.